Liquid Web Dedicated Hosting Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing Liquid Web Dedicated Hosting, and you'll find links to the product in the description below. Liquid Web is known for high-performance, fully managed dedicated servers, designed for businesses, enterprises, and high-traffic websites that demand maximum reliability, security, and speed. Unlike budget hosting providers, Liquid Web specializes in premium hosting solutions with customizable hardware, proactive monitoring, and expert-level support. Their dedicated servers come with Intel Xeon processors, SSD or NVMe storage, and up to 128 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring blazing fast performance. You can choose between single-tenant bare metal servers or cloud-dedicated solutions, depending on your scalability needs. Root access is available, allowing full control while Liquid Web's team handles server monitoring, security patches, and updates. One of Liquid Web's biggest strengths is 100% uptime guarantee, backed by DDoS protection, real-time monitoring, and redundant power and network infrastructure. They also provide cPanel, Plesk, or Interworks control panels for seamless server management. If you're running resource-intensive applications like e-commerce stores, SaaS platforms, or large databases, Liquid Web's dedicated hosting ensures high availability and zero performance bottlenecks. Security is a major priority, with firewall protection, malware scanning, free SSL certificates, and automatic backups included. Their 24/7 heroic support team, consisting of certified system administrators, is available via phone, chat, or ticket to assist with server optimization, troubleshooting, and security hardening. Pricing is on the higher end, but Liquid Web delivers enterprise-grade performance and reliability. If you need a powerful, managed, dedicated server with zero compromises on uptime, security, and speed, Liquid Web is a top-tier choice. It's perfect for businesses that outgrow shared or VPS hosting and need a scalable, robust infrastructure for mission-critical applications.